Hi everyone, welcome to Ẹ̀kọ́ Èdè Yorùbá TV.
Good day. Today we want to talk about sound of letters. What do you know by sound of the letters? They are the letters in Yoruba, which is alphabets. And the alphabet, we call it alphabet lédè Yoruba, that is in Yoruba language. This is it. This is Yoruba. Sound of letters. Ìró èdè Yoruba. And when we are talking about ìró èdè Yoruba, that is the sound of the letters. Ìyẹn ni wípé we have three parts. What are the three parts? We have the consonants, we have the syllables, we have the vowel. The vowel we call it vowel. The consonants we call it consonant. And we have the sound of a voice, ìró ohùn. But ohun tí a sì fẹ́ tẹ̀lé lónìí ni consonant àti vowel tí a pè ní the consonant and the vowel. Kí ni àkọ́kọ́? A lè sọ wípé consonant àti vowel ó parapọ̀ mọ́ òun là ń pè ní alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì. Tí a bá ti pa méjèèjì papọ̀ là ń pè ní alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ṣùgbọ́n a fẹ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ti àkọ́kọ́. Kí ni ìró àkọ́kọ́ yẹn ni? Àkọ́kọ́ a sọ pé ìró consonant, which is consonant sounds. Ìkejì ni ìró vowel. They are vowel sound. In vowel sound we have I, E, I, O, E, which is there are 5. But in Yoruba we have them, there are 7s. So when we are going, we can understand it. Now, tí a bá ti wá pa méjèèjì papọ̀, when we join the two together, it makes the alphabet. Tá a pè ní alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì. Alifábẹ́ẹ̀tì. Ìkẹta ni ìró ohùn. Ṣùgbọ́n a fẹ́ mú ní àkọ́kọ́, we want to take it from the first one, which is the consonants. After the consonants, we take the vowel. The vowel one, we now have alphabet, which is the first one is A. Ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ alphabet síbí. Alphabet. Eléyìí la pè ní A. Letter A in English. A, say A. And this one is A. You open your mouth widely. A, A. B, which is capital letter. Sorry. Capital letter. A, B, D. A, B, D. Say it. A, B, D. We also have which is in A, B, D. You know, in the English form, we have A, B, C. But this one is A, B, D. This is A, is E in English. But we have it as A in Yoruba. A, say A. A, A. Repeat it. A, B, B, D, D, A. You can't say E because E is in English. So this one is A. You call it as form of A. And we also have this one as E. You put mark at the bottom. Ayan, ó ló jẹ́ pé wọ́n yan. Ó yá, A, B, D, A, E, E, E. when you go to your dictionary, you will see some sound that they like this. You understand? So it's a, b, d, a. We now have we call it f. It sounds like f in English, but in Yoruba is you call it, let it deep. Oh yeah, ẹja tún kà o. A, b, d, a. You know this one go down a little bit, and this one is high. G is G in English, but this one is G. Call it G. A, B, D, A, G, B. Let it sound very well. B. We are still talking about the capital letter. B. This is it. B. A. B. D. A. F. G. B. Eléyìí là ń pè ní lẹ́tà ńlá. Kí ni mo sọ o? Lẹ́tà ńlá, which is capital letters. We also have small letters. Òun là ń pè ní lẹ́tà kékeré. Lẹ́tà kékeré òun ní A, B, D, A, F, G, B. That B we go down. Sound. Oya o. Lẹ́tà ńlá, A ńlá, ẹ sọ bẹ́ẹ̀. B ńlá, D ńlá, A ńlá, E ńlá, F ńlá, G ńlá, B ńlá. Eléyìí ni A kékeré. Ẹ sọ A kékeré, B kékeré, D kékeré, A kékeré, E kékeré, F kékeré, G kékeré. At times when you are called, there are some people, they will be saying gear. You know, this one sound like gear. They say gear. That is where it come out. Gear. B kékeré, àti rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn.